Under the Remote Access tab, we have some very important information. First, we have the SSH username to log into our server using the root account. You'll understand more about this as we progress through the lessons. Next, we have our server's public IPv4 address, IPv6 address, and default gateway. The DNS resolvers help ISPs and institutional networks resolve our IP address or domain name to the correct web server. Linode gives you the ability to create a private network using multiple Linodes. This means you can transfer data from one Linode to another over a local area network. This feature only works with Linodes that are housed at the same data center. There are many practical uses for this, including database replication and backups. Data transfer between servers on a local area network is much faster and cost-effective. For now, don't worry about adding any private IPs because we'll only be working with one Linode. Console access allows us to use Linode's web-based command consoles to create remote connections to our server so we can administer it. Although this is convenient, it lacks many of the features available in locally installed consoles such as PuTTY for Windows and Terminal for Mac users. Although we won't be using the web-based consoles, let's test the connection by launching the Glish console. You can see a success message indicating that we're connected at the top of the pop-up window. And you can just press any key and you'll see that it requests that you plug in your login information. So remember that our login is root. So we'll log in as the root user and type in the password you'd assigned earlier. And now we're connected. With our connection tested, let's exit the web-based console and we'll see you in the next lesson.